Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Shafiq Afzal and I am the weaving head in Yunus Textile Mills, Karachi. We are using Genkinger trolleys over here since last 7 years from the day first of this weaving unit. Overall, I have 20 years experience in different weaving unit and mostly we are using Genkinger trolleys in different weaving units. We selected Genkinger trolleys due to its reliability factor and its performance. Of course, as compared to the other suppliers, these trolleys are the best one and we always rely on these trolleys due to its performance and due to its reliability. On time and quick movement of our material is the key for the best performance and you can say for the improvement of our efficiency, and we can rely on these trolleys. These always help us for the quick movement of our material from one area to another area. So we always recommend to use these trolleys for better performance and good working. We are satisfied with the sales and after sales services of the Genkinger and we expect in future they will further improve it. The quality of the Genkinger material, the best one in terms of its manufacturing, its metallurgy, its workmanship, and these are made in terms of with the best international standards and its quality is the best one. I will recommend these trolleys to other my industrial friends. Of course, its initial price is high as compared to the other competitors. But if you want your troubleless atmosphere and you want to escape yourself from petty issues, then you always like these trolleys as compared to the other one.